Good morning, hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry if I sound a bit rough this morning. I had a one-man cocktail party yesterday where I had way too many cocktails. I ended up like throwing up and getting McDonald's, and my boyfriend was like, what the fuck is happening here? But it's all good, I'm fine. I feel much better for it, to kind of get it out of my system, if that makes sense. But anyway, so here I am. So today is Saturday and I am hoping to have a post breakdown house clean. So I don't know if any of you guys have a bit of like a breakdown or have like a period where you just feel really down and then one day you wake up and you're like, I want to put all my life together and clean and all that kind of stuff. So that's where I'm at today. So I think what I'm going to do today is take this lovely little lady for a W and then afterwards I will start cleaning the house, and then I will be giving you a tour of what our house looks like currently. So obviously we've moved in over a month ago now and things have changed. I've now got a wardrobe and things like that, so it's super duper exciting for me. Super duper, who the fuck am I? Yeah, that's kind of going to be my day. I am, if I have time, planning to walk down to the local charity shops and have a little look around. I haven't had a chance to do that since we've moved here, and there is one that I think is a bit of like a superstore, but I'm not sure. That's just what it looks like from the outside. I could have it completely wrong, but it's like a Bernardo's one, so I'm hoping to head down over there and hopefully find some lovely little gems. But yeah, so I'm just gonna spend a day cleaning. I'm just in my cleaning clothes now. This is one thing I will say is I do not look glamorous when I clean. Like I watch a lot of YouTube videos of girls doing like a deep clean of their house and they're dressed in this really nice, luxurious looking loungewear. Like, I'm sorry, I get filthy when I clean. Like, I use bleach, I use like, you know, I get dirty and I don't want my best clothes getting dirty. So I am literally wearing just this grey sweatshirt from a charity shop and some black leggings. So yeah, very fashionable, but I think it's more practical than wearing a nice kind of knitted piece, two-piece, whatever. So yeah, so I'm gonna get my coat on, get headed outside. It seems like a lovely day. Come here. That's a good girl. There you go. God, this is like the creepiest thing ever. There is like a twig hanging in midair. Well, let me see if I can zoom into it. Like there's a twig here that's just hanging and it's not attached to anything, and I don't understand. This is so weird. Oh, look at these little babies. Oh, they're so small. Oh, look how cute they are. Oh, there's so many. Oh, I love them. Right, time for me to face the reality of last night's antics. Oh, so much to tidy up. Oh, I think I still even have Coke left in my little McDonald's cup. Right. Let's get started, shall we? As you can probably see, hopefully you can see it on the camera, my curtains are like quite creased, like this netting one still has all of the folds and stuff in it. Steph, do you want to trot any louder? But yeah, all of the folds are still in it, and I feel like this curtain just has like, it's, I don't know, it doesn't look amazing. Do you guys know of any kind of ways for me to be able to straighten them out? Like, any advice would be great, because Google seems to be quite useless when it comes to this kind of stuff. I don't know if I'm just searching for the wrong thing, but yeah. If you guys know, comment down below to let me know. So today is the kind of day where I do all the things that I've been staring at, thinking, Jesus, that looks hideous, and just not having the energy to do anything about it. Yeah, I've been staring at these lanterns for a little while because I know they're like full of cobwebs and the glass is dirty and stuff like that. So I thought I would give them a go today so that when I'm watching TV and looking down at them, they look beautiful and sparkly. Put these flowers into a little vase. So on the instruction it says, cut off stems with a sharp knife or scissors. Place them in deep water prior to arranging in a clean container. I don't really know, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour that water out, I'm going to cut off some of the ends, and then I'm just going to put it into a vase and fill it with water and give it some food. I don't know. All done. I will just show you guys around to see what's new. In the hallway now, so we've got a nice little vase there with these little Pampers things. This is Jamie's idea and he really loves it. It's like one of the things he's most proud of. I absolutely love the vase that it's in. I feel like it's so unique and pretty and has all these different colours. It gives it a bit more of like a balance. And of course we've got one of these little shoe rack / seat things. This is really helpful because we were just obviously leaving our shoes just lying around, and this kind of gives us somewhere to put them away, somewhere to slide them, and a little drawer here as well that I'm using for like my gym stuff and like lint rollers and things. So all the useful things that you might need before you leave. So the only other thing that we want to add here is probably something in this space there. We're thinking maybe like a really green leafy plant just to kind of give it a bit more life in here, and possibly something here at some point, but I'm not too sure how much, how busy it would look with that plant. So now going into the living room. So this room is probably almost finished, I think. So obviously we've got our sofa. We've now got cushions on a sofa, which I've ninja chopped. Got the 2 little tables, got the rug, got blankets and like pictures and all that kind of stuff, just to make it feel more like home. And let me tell you how much of a difference cushions make. Like, I absolutely love these. I feel like they go really well with sort of our rug and just the room aesthetic, I guess. So obviously we've got our pictures there. So that's me and Jamie looking super duper cute on my sister's wedding day. And I've got one of these little like fake bonsai tree things from IKEA. That was actually only a tenner, and I think it looks really nice. So as you can see, these little units are matching. So we got a set of 3. That one we got second hand. These and that one we got brand new. This side of the room is slightly more naked, but we do have an idea of what we'd like to do with it. So obviously we've got the unit there with some really random ornaments. Like, we do want to change the ornaments that are on there. It's kind of not really, I don't know, it's not looking how I'd love it to. Daffy's toys obviously in that corner there, and then this is the little lamp feature that we've got in a corner. I absolutely love this. Jamie again picked this out, and he is constantly boasting about how good it looks, and to be honest, fair play to him, I think it's lovely. We picked out all of the plants and stuff together just to give it a bit more of like a Pinterest kind of vibe. I love these little dingly dangly plants, like my favourite things ever. You'll see them, there's a common theme of those around the house. But yeah, back to the idea that we have for the space. So this unit is going to stay here, but we're thinking we're going to move it possibly closer to this end. And then in that corner, we're going to make like a bit of a snug corner. So we're going to get a nice big comfy chair, get one of those like lamps that like loops over, and it'll be like a big chair with a lamp looping over. So it'll be like a nice kind of chilling reading corner. And then this space just here, we felt like it would be quite nice to get above a fish tank to help kind of break the room up. And Jamie absolutely loves fish, and I love looking at fish, so that seems like a really nice thing to put here. The dining room here, we have literally just used the furniture that we had before, so that is the exact same dining room set and everything that we used to have in our old house. I do want to at some point get like a more bougie looking dining set, possibly the same kind of wood as this. Maybe like a bench and some like big material chairs rather than these like little wooden ones, just to make it look a bit more bougie and expensive. So that's kind of where we're at the moment. I still absolutely love this little brick wall. I think it's such an incredible feature and just looks, I just think I love it. Obsessed. Oh yeah, the kitchen. So the kitchen is the most stunning kitchen I think I've ever seen in my whole entire life. So obviously the oven's still going, super strong, nice and clean. All of our little bits and pieces are on the sides. I am defrosting some meat, and obviously gorgeous flowers I got from Jamie. Thank you, love you. But yeah, that's what a kitchen looks like. Now I need to tackle the upstairs. So I've just brushed the stairs because they did get really dirty where they're wooden. So they're all nice and clean now, and I need to start cleaning upstairs. Let's go. On, and I've now finished the upstairs. So this is my room, all complete and nice and tidy. So that is my new addition, my little chair. So I built this literally this week, and I absolutely love it. So comfortable, and the most beautiful vase ever is just She is stunning. But yeah, so this is what my room is kind of like at the moment. So I know you can see the reflection of it. This is my little rail with all my coats on and my boots that I can't really fit anywhere at the moment. Little vanity stand, my beautiful wardrobe that I've been banging on about for feels like forever. And obviously my working desk here as well. But yeah, I really love my room. I think it's really nice. It's got a nice aesthetic to it. I do want to get another lampshade, possibly one of those like feather fluffy ones. I'm just not sure at the moment. Just want to get the vibe right, I guess. I have been looking at other vanity sets because I feel like my room is quite modern and it's like very nice and fluffy, and then you get to here and that's quite old school. But I guess it does kind of split the room in two. So you've got like this part and then this part. I don't know, I'll just think about, I think I like the way it looks at the moment, but I'll think about if I wanted to change it. So obviously the bathroom is my absolute favourite space. We've made it all bougie with all of the plants. So obviously you've got the shower there, and not much has changed apart from decoration. So we've got a new like toothbrush holder, got all the plants, got little dingly danglies everywhere. I've got a couple more of these little mats and things just to make sure that they all match and all look really pretty. So this is all nice and clean, and yeah, I absolutely love the tiles in here. They're absolutely stunning. And in case you're wondering why I was cleaning, there is mirrors here. And now we get to probably the least exciting room of the house. This is our spare bedroom, which is currently a dumping ground of Jamie's clothes. So these are all of his shoes all piled up over here. This is a box of all the clothes that we need to take to the charity shop. And then, I don't know why, but he has decided that he's going to hang some clothes in here. This is an office chair that I need to take back to work, our snake, and obviously Taffy's bed, and lots of washing for me to do just here. But this room is very much work in progress. I think it's going to take us quite some time to work our way through this and buy the right furniture. So then we've got our bedroom, so nothing special in here. Not really much going on, just a bed and Jamie's wardrobe just here. I'm thinking of ways to make this a little bit more homey, and I thought maybe like a nice rug underneath the bed would be nice. I do want to get some better bedding and like a nice comforter and stuff, but that will come. So right now the bed's looking very V-tech. And that's it, so that's the upstairs. Probably my room has made the most progress and I absolutely love it here. My favourite place, and obviously this is a nice little area to take some outfit selfies, as always. Yeah, so that is it from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I did tell you that I would look like absolute crap afterwards, so my hair just kind of loses its shit, and my clothes are absolutely filthy, so everything needs to go into the wash. But it is now 3 o'clock, so I've been cleaning for a good few hours. So I'm gonna see after I take a shower how I feel about going to the charity shops. It is a nice day and it's only a 20-minute walk, so I'll have to see what time it closes and how it kind of works out, but that'll probably be my plan for the rest of the day. If I do go, I'll vlog a little bit, but if I don't, the video is going to end here. So I'll say all of my usual goodbyes. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you've got any thoughts, if you could help me about those bloody curtains. I'd really, really love if you would subscribe and follow me over my Instagram, which is PK Does Life. But that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to see you all soon.